In this video, we're going to show you how to inspect your lower spray arm on your dishwasher. If you're having a problem where you're starting to see your dishwasher leaking around the door or down in the corners, there's a possibility it may be the spray arm itself that's giving you the trouble. So you just want to open your door, remove your rack. You're going to want to examine that spray arm because a couple of things can happen. Be it the metal spray arm or the plastic style, but more predominantly with some of the metal ones, where the arms are, whether it's a 2-arm or 4-arm, they have a seam where these are crimped together, the lower and the upper section of that arm. And sometimes over time they'll split, so they'll actually split or open up, and you'll get a large volume of water at high pressure being driven right at the door. And if that happens, it can actually push it past the door seal and you'll get some water leaking. So every time it's making a rotation, it's actually starting to drive water. So it doesn't happen a lot, but it could be. And if it is, then you're going to want to replace that spray arm. And you can tell by removing your spray arm, taking a look, by holding it and giving a little twist one way or the other, and that'll generally open up that seam if it's actually cracked so you can see it. But that's how a spray arm can actually cause you to have some water being pushed at the door and causing those leaks down in the corner.